Hello everyone, how are you all? And I hope you are doing amazing, you are safe wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing my channel, for giving lots of love to the channel. This is the channel messages, the channel energy, the current energy of your divine masculine. So in this video I'm going to do what are the energies, what are the messages of your divine masculine, and what they want to say to you. Okay, what they are currently thinking, and what are the steps, what are the next steps they want to take, and the sign of your twin flame. Okay, the zodiac signs, the elements, and the more many things. Okay, so let's start doing your twin flame reading. If you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And one more important thing is that if it doesn't resonate with you, you can skip it out and take whatever is resonating according to your situation, according to your condition, and leave the rest, because this is the general collective divine masculine energy, so it is not going to resonate with each of you. So let's see what are the messages. Please help me out, guides, god, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Give me the messages which I need to deliver. What are the messages from the divine masculine to the divine feminine? What are they thinking, what they do want to tell divine masculine? Let's see what are the messages from the divine masculine to the divine feminine, what they want to say. You are honest with me. Okay, you are honest with me, that's the message they want to tell you. Then they want to ask you that would you accept me. They want to know that whether you are going to accept divine masculine, the DMs, or not. Any other message from divine masculine? Is there any message? Okay, that's enough. You always wish for my success. Okay, I am ready for our new beginnings. Okay, I am ready for our new beginnings. So your divine masculine is ready for new beginnings. Okay, divine feminines, DFs, your divine masculine is ready for the new beginnings. This is the video in which you are not having any contact. 0303 was the recording reading time. We will be together again. Okay, they are ready for our new beginning, and we will be together again. I want to talk to you but don't know what to say. Okay, they want to talk to you, divine feminines. Your divine masculine wants to talk to you, but they don't know what to talk. Okay, then there is sometimes I wonder if saying I'm sorry is enough. Okay, that's why they want to say that would you accept me, and they are thinking that if they say that I'm sorry, divine feminine, I'm sorry, so sorry is enough for everything they have done to you, because they now know that they have not treated you right. Basically they know that, and they says that no one compares to you. Okay, no one compares to you. They are ready for new beginning. 0404 was the recording reading time. Okay, they are ready for our new beginning. Then there is no one compares to you. They want to talk to you, but they don't know what to say, how to talk to you, what they have to say to you. And they think that if saying sorry is enough for you or not, and they want to say you that we will be together again. Okay, you both will be together again. So this was the messages from your divine masculine to the divine feminine. Let's see what are the messages from this twin flame tarot deck. And one more thing, if you want to buy these deck, you can let me know in the comment section. I will let you know how you can buy these decks are designed by me. Okay, I have made these 2 decks, so you can purchase these decks. So let's see what are the messages from the divine masculine to the divine feminine. Let's see 5 cards from this deck. Please help me out. You hold the key, make a choice. Okay, so basically, soul blueprints to twin flame soul union. You hold the key. Okay, divine feminines, you hold the key. They know that you hold the key, and you have to make a choice, because you're sending mixed signal to the universe. Okay, you're sending mixed signal to the universe, and your souls have a blueprint, have a key for this soul journey, for this twin flame. Your soul knows who is your twin flame, and your soul holds the key basically, but you are making mixed signal to the universe. Okay, so don't send mixed signals. Make a choice for your life, because they are ready for the new beginning, and they're telling you that you both will be together again, and they want to know that would you accept them. So you hold the key, divine feminine. Then there is devil and there is dream. Avoid temptation and addiction. So if there is any kind of toxicity, any kind of addiction, any kind of temptation, either you are having or your masculine is having, you need to avoid that. Okay, and there is dreams. Pay attention to your dreams. As you know, divine feminines, you are having dreams while you sleep, so maybe there is a message while you are sleeping. So pay attention whatever dreams you are having right now. Okay, bottom of the deck I'm having a soulmate. So maybe you are dealing with a karmic soulmate, or your divine masculine is dealing with a karmic soulmate. But the karmic soulmates are those soul teachers, will help you out to grow basically. Okay, and let's see one more message. One more message. Time to release all regrets. If you're having any kind of regret inside of you, this is the time to release any kind of regrets if you are having inside of you. Okay, so that's the message here. Thank you so much for giving the messages. Let's add some message, 1 or 2 cards from the angels and ancestors. So you hold the key, basically your soul knows the blueprint, because there is a blueprint inside of your soul. Okay, for this soul journey, for this twin flame journey, and you need to make a choice, because you are sending mixed signals to the universe. And if there is any temptation, any addiction, so you need to work on that. Fire guardian, ignite your passions. Okay, so you need to work on your passions. Okay, there is a lot of passions which you are having inside of you, divine feminines. Okay, so you need to work on your passions. You need to ignite your passion. There is a fire guardian who is trying to tell you this. Elder, move beyond the ancestral patterns. So maybe you are following the ancestral patterns. You need to move beyond the ancestral patterns. You need to break the ancestral patterns which you are having. Okay, then there is lady, enjoy growth and reap rewards. So this is a time for your growth, because here I can see that there is a spiritual growth, and there is a, because a lot of divine feminines are working on your inner work and do your healing. So this is a time where you will reward, you will get your rewards, you will reap your rewards, you will enjoy your gifts. Then there is great teacher, learn from your spiritual experiences. You need to learn from your spiritual experiences. Whatever spiritual experiences you are going through, you need to learn from that spiritual experiences. Then there is heart guardian, love and let yourself be loved. So you need to work on your heart chakra and open your heart chakra. If you're having any kind of blockages, or if you need any kind of healing, anything on work on that. 1 minute, it just fell out. Okay, so if you need to work on your heart chakra, so you need to work on that. Work on your heart chakra. If you're having any blockages, you can heal your heart chakra and open your heart so that you can receive it and learn from your spiritual messages. This is a great teacher. Your spiritual journey is a great teacher. Okay, so learn from your spiritual experiences, whatever experiences you are having right now in your life, or you were having any, you know, because here this is a time to release any regrets if you are having inside of you. Okay, then let's see. Thank you so much, angels and ancestors, to give the messages. Let's see one or two more messages. Joy and contentments, yeah, right. So you need to feel, maybe you are feeling very joy and contentment everywhere, wherever you are. That's why this is. And once you are completing your healing, holy love, that's right, this is a holy love. So you need to understand, this is a divine love, this is a divine journey, this is a divine guided journey, this is a holy love. And because of that, you are feeling this, joy and contentment inside of you. So let's see what are the things which they have to do. See, I just cut it out, and the bottom of the deck I'm having lovers and the journey. So yes, new chapter of your life is going to start, new beginning is going to happen in your life. Beautiful cards is here. This is a holy love, this is a pure love, this is a divine love, okay, between what you and your twin flame is having. So you need to release any regrets or if you are having inside of you, and learn from your spiritual experiences. Let yourself be loved, love yourself first. Okay, the heart guardian is here, and there is love which is there for you. So the message for you from this deck is bad health and change. So if you're having any kind of bad health, okay, so that is going to change is coming for you. And bad health card is also that whatever, maybe you are into low vibration frequencies, so that case you are going to rise up here. Okay, you are going to rise up and move in a higher vibrations. If you are trapped into fear or any kind of emotion, because here I can see regrets are here. So if you are trapped into, you feeling regrets or something like that, so that is going to release from your life. Okay, that is going to change here, because change is coming for you. Beautiful. Let's add some messages. Thank you so much for giving the beautiful messages. Let's add some messages. This is my handmade deck. What are the messages for the twin flames? Deception, false mask, and flirt. So you need to, be more open and play like, you can do flirt with your divine counterpart. And maybe there is someone around you who is wearing a false mask and who is flirting with you. That can be a message for you, for someone. Okay, so there is someone around you who is wearing a false mask. Okay, there is deception here, and there is someone around you who is, maybe they are flirting with you. That's the message. Past life relationships, you both know each other. Okay, so this is, and that's right, because this is the holy love, this is the twin flame connection. You both have spent many lives together. So this is a past life connection. Okay, this is a past life connection. You both have spent many lives together. So that's the message here. You both know each other very well before. Any other message for twin flame? This could be the one. Beautiful. So this could be the one with whom you are dealing with, and you both have spent each many lives together. And this could be your twin flame. This could be the one with whom you have to, you both are you both are made for each other. Basically, you both are the divine masculine and the feminine. So this could be the one, and you both have spent many past lives together. Let me see one more. Playfulness. Allow your inner child soul to have fun and shine. See, again, bottom of the deck, I'm having passion. Okay, so ignite your passion wherever you are. Ignite your passion. Here I'm having two messages from for you, that fire guardian is also saying that you need to ignite your passion, work on your passions, and you have a lot of passion inside of you, so you need to ignite your passions. Then there is playfulness. Again, allow your inner child soul to have fun or shine. See, again, heart guardian is saying that you have to open up and you have to, be more playful and allow your inner child to more shine, to more have fun. You can, be, sometimes you can behave like a child. Okay, do something which your soul loves. You can dance, you can play, you can do anything, you can sing too. So many cards, so I'm not going to take it. Okay, any other message which I need to deliver? Please help me out to deliver if there is message. Attraction, the now movement, and this is very beautiful because this card says that you have to focus on now movement. You have to enjoy your present so that you can attract more positivity in your future. Okay, so you need to enjoy your now movement, here movement. That's why here I'm having playfulness, attraction. Okay, so please be more available to the present, enjoy your present. Then there is let go of control issues, and there is separation here. So some of you maybe are in separation right now. Okay, because this can be reading for those who are in separation too. So maybe right now you are into separation, you just need to let go of the control issues. That's why you have to get this issue solved. Okay, let go of any control issues so that your separation can be over. And because of this control issue, this separation can be happen. That can be a reason, that because of your control issue behavior, and that's why the separation is happen. So you need to let go of control issues if you are having it. Then there is igniting, exciting, finding your soul purpose, talents, new chapter, paths, life changes, share your gifts. See, again, this message has come for you. So beautiful messages. You need to work on your passion. You are having, you have find your soul purpose, you have find your talents. This is a new chapter, a new changes. Life is going to change. You need to share your gifts. You need to work on your passion. Okay, change is coming for you here. You need to work on your passion. You need to work on your passion. You need to ignite your passion. The more you will work on your passion, it will help you out. So these are the messages. Let's see what are the signs which you may be dealing with, and the elements and the month of birth of them. So this can be Aries. Okay, your twin flame can be Aries, Aquarius. They can be fire and air element, fire and air, fire and water. That's why there is a lot of passion, igniting passion. Okay, there is a lot of fire energy too. So you have, they can be any fire or air, fire or water. Maybe they have born on Monday or Tuesday. Okay, your twin flame can be born on Monday or Tuesday. Then there is earth and fire. They can be a Sagittarius, Taurus. So these are the signs which may be possible that your twin flame can be these signs. Okay, let me see more. They can be Scorpio and water. So they can be a water sign here. Okay, they can be a Scorpio, Pisces, Libra and Virgo. So these can be the signs. Okay, bottom of the deck I'm having water and the earth. So these can be the elements of the signs which they can be, which your partner can be having. Okay, Virgo, Libra, Pisces is there, Scorpio is there, water is here. So they can be a water element. Then there is Taurus, Sagittarius, Aries, Aquarius. Okay, and they can be an earth and fire element. Okay, then there is fire and water element, fire and air element, and there can be born on Monday or Tuesday, or you are born on Monday or Tuesday. That can be a possibilities. So this was your reading for twin flame, the messages from your twin flame, the messages from your DM. Okay, what they need, what they want to say, what they want to do. So they want to take actions, they want to come towards you, they are ready for your new beginnings here. Okay, they are ready for the new beginning. Okay, just, and they want to say that you both will be together again, and they want to talk to you, but they don't know, they don't know what to say. And you also have to work on yourself, divine feminines. You have to work on yourself. If you're having any kind of regrets, if you have any kind of temptations or addictions, so you need to release them, you need to let go any kind of these energies if you're having inside of you. Okay, the change is coming for you, that is for sure. Change is coming for you. Then there is joy and contentment. So you maybe many of you are feeling joy and contentment and feeling this holy love inside of you, because this is a very pure love, this is very, divine love. I can say that you hold the key, your soul know. Okay, your soul is having the blueprints of this twin flame journey, and you just need to make a decision, a choice here, because you are sending mixed signals to the universe. So you have to make a choice and pay attention towards your dreams. Maybe there is a message in your dream while you sleep. Have more focus while you sleep, and whatever you are seeing in your dreams, so they know that you are honest with them. They want to ask you that would you accept me, and they know that you always wish for success for them. No one compares to you, and they want to talk to you, but they don't know what to say. Sometimes they wonder if saying I'm sorry is enough for them. So these are the messages from your DM, the divine masculine. I hope I help you out in some manner. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Sending you lots of love and light to everyone wherever you are. Thank you so much. See you soon.